that we have presented is a bill to protect the rights of widows. We know in the Luo customs and culture, there's a lot of retrogressive traditions that bind and hold the widow, that have taken us back many years. They are sad stories. If you hear the stories of the widows in Luo land, the issues you hear always of tear, you are being inherited, means that you are having forced sexual relations with men you don't know, just in the name of rituals and cleansing. And we say the retrogressive ones we don't want to go with. We are alive to the fact that traditions are there for our people. But now we have reviewed them. The good ones we have retained, but the ones that are really retrogressive, we have said we are going to get rid of them. And this policy is to protect the rights of the widows and women as a whole, in as far as those cultures are concerned, as far as succession, land rights. These are things which have stalled or slowed the process of economic development of widows in Kenya. In Siaya here, and like I'm talking from experience in my ward, we have more widows than women with their husbands. They are the heads of homes. They are taking care of their children and grandchildren, and this policy will liberate us. We present this document that we appreciate, and we know that it has gone through a rigorous process. We have 2 months to the International Widows Day on 23rd of June. We would like the governor to present this bill as an act at that time on the 23rd of June to the widows of Siaya. That is our wish. That is our...
The governor of Siaya County, I'm very delighted to receive the Siaya Widows Protection Bill. Thank you so much for this thinking. I know it's been in the offing for far too long. And I would like to give you a very strong assurance that what needs to be done, especially at the executive level, will be done to women. Yeah, and the only good thing we can give to our mothers, sisters, and indeed the other widows is something to give them protection for now and into the future.